The objective here is to check out the publishing options in Google Docs, specifically two. One is e-publication, the other one is HTML for a web page. So let's check out the options. File, download, and these are the different publishing formats that Google Docs assists us. So we are going to check out these two. ePub publication, which is going to download, let's call it ebook to your local machine. The other one creates a zipped HTML file that you can use for your web page. So click on this to download. Let's go to the downloaded files. Here is the EPUB format. So you've got many free EPUB readers online. You can check out those. You've got plenty to read the file that you've downloaded. I am using something called books. This is how your ebook would be generated. And there you go. It's like it's just like any other ebook. Of course, if you want to improve the layout, you can, spacing. And the other one, let's just quickly see what else can be done here. Yeah, you obviously can edit your ebook. Again, it is application specific. I'm using book, so it gives me few options to edit title, co-author. I don't know whether it would allow me. Yeah, you can even update cover if you want here. And I'm sure almost all applications that can render ebooks will give you similar options. Moving on, this is the zipped file. I have unzipped it. So once I double click on the HTML, it's going to be in the web page format. So these are the two publishing formats I found helpful in Google Docs. If any of you are interested in this e-publication, good luck and thank you.